Good afternoon, sir. Myself Sunil Kumar. Currently, I am pursuing Masters of Computer Application from VIT Bhopal University. So, sir, here is our project. So, sir, in this project, first I am going to demonstrate the API endpoints without fixing bug and applying new features. And then I fix the bug and explain how I fix the bug. Okay. So, controller first start from create. So first is create. Well, first of all, see how many seed tasks we have stored. So there are 6 tasks. Seed task means task already stored. Like in program, we have stored these tasks. While run, these tasks is automatically get stored. So now I create. Okay. With reference ID 119 inquiry create invoice assign ID 12 and let's send. A new task is created with ID 7. Till 6 we already have and this is 7th. And next one is update. So for 7th we update task status to assign completed, sorry, assigned, and send. Okay. Our task with ID 7 has updated the status to assigned. And here in activity history there are two activity happen. First one, task status change to assign. Second one is we add description also. So both are recorded here. And in our next endpoint is assign by reference. Assign by reference means we already have the reference. We already assign the same task to another person. The same task I assign again here. So here assign by reference id, we have reference type and assignee id. And this new deadline I commented out here because after the fixing bug I use this new deadline and explain how it's working. So for now let it be commented it and then run. Reference id 201 and reference type entity. C. Assignee id 5. Assignee id 5. 201 entity. Here only assignee id changes. 201 entity assignee id changes. So bug is that here we change assignee id for a particular task only. We won't create any new task. If we assign to another person, then we have to create a new task. Here we are not creating. And there are so many issues. First is if we are not creating a new task and the status is cancelled, if task already get cancelled and we are assigning again, then assignee id is same as we update assignee id here only. So it's, and next one is later I will explain this assign by reference in detail. So here start date, here face by date, here we face by, we apply, basically we apply filter in which start date and end date. And assignee id is also there with these assignee ids. So here assignee id 1, assignee id 1 2 1. So These all are the tasks between these dates, and these tasks performed by assignee IDs 1, 2, 3. Here there is no any assignee ID 3 perform any task. Okay, and our next endpoint is search by priority. It's very simple. Here we search by priority is low, we get the result where all these tasks have priority low. And our next is comment. It's very interesting. So suppose task with ID 4, we have to comment on task of ID 4. Our author is Rahul, and Rahul said congrats, then send. Okay, another one. So, and next one is search by ID. It's very simple. With ID 4, I search any task with ID 4. So here is search all. It's for our facility. Here task with ID 1 priority change to high, and activity history also it's recorded priority change to high. Okay, this is without. And assigned by reference. Here let's uncomment our code and port 8080. Okay, now here there is no change in create, no change in update, no change in assign by reference. There is change in assign by reference only. So here what is happening? Now see, send, and see what is happening here. Okay, a new task is created with ID 7, and task deadline is same as the task deadline of 201. In means previously assigned to someone else, same deadline is assigned again. if i if you assign the same task to another person, and see, but if you want to change the deadline, suppose we have to give new deadline for this, for that, then here what we are doing here. Okay, it's our new deadline. Now send. Okay, now send and see what is happening here. Now send. Now 8 new task is get created, previous one is get cancelled. Here in 7th we have time stamp of previously get cancelled, but now in 8th we have time stamp as we have given here. So we can give time, because if we assign the same task to another person, then time may be a constraint. Someone want more time, and someone say so reduce 1 day. So for that purpose I use here time as a constraint. And previously what is the error I'm seeing? If we create a new task, then there is a so many, suppose deadline, task deadline field is empty, priority field is empty, state description field is empty. These are the fields are empty. So in order to avoid this, we create a new logic from where all these are we get from previously assigned task. Suppose description is same, no worry, and priority is also same for task. That's why. And now next one is fetch by date. Here in this time we won't get any cancelled one. If some task is get cancelled, then it's not showing here. And next one is priority. Search by priority, all are the same. But one more thing I have to demonstrate. All are same. Search by priority is no any change. We can comment also. So one thing I want to show here. Previously with ID 4, Sunil also commented, Rahul also commented. Let's say Rishabh also get comment. Rishabh also comment here. Okay, no send. See here. Okay, previously get cleared. Now we have to. Sunil also commenting here. Sunil commenting hi. Tarasan also commented hello. Tarasan commenting hello. So send. There are three comments. So first comment of Rishabh, then second comment of Sunil, then third comment of Tarasan. All are showing in a chronological order. We may reverse also. The Tarasan is first, second is Sunil, third is Rishabh. We can also get do in the reverse order. Here's exactly same activity history. First task status change to cancel due to reassignment. Okay. Then comment added by Rishabh on this time. Then comment added by Sunil. Then comment added by Tarachand. So these are all are in chronological order. So I think it's fine for today. So thank you, sir.